South, diba? 200 plus na.
Hello! Today's vlog is special. Uuwi kami ni ate kasama yung pamangkin namin sa probinsya to attend my youngest sister's college graduation. Super happy kasi finally may kita ulit namin si mama at papa. And bakasyon din. For Tacloban. We are not from Tacloban. Ang province ko po ay Cabay, Eastern Samar. From airport, it's 3 to 4 hours drive away, and we opted to rent a car since marunong naman mag-drive sa ate. The next day ng arrival namin sa probinsya ay umattend kami ng baccalaureate mass and awarding ceremony ng kapatid ko. She's graduating as cum laude. Nakanaks! Karen, if napapanood mo to, you made us very proud. And here's to more things you will achieve in the future. Shout out din sa parents ko. Mapa, this is a fulfillment of all your hard work and sacrifices. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng ginawa nyo para sa amin. Medyo gutom kami lahat kaya ayun, hindi na nakapag-vlog sa Melindas. But we just headed home and look at that tarpaulin from my parents. Syempre, super proud sa aming kapatid.
Ang ganda ng tubig. Dito tayo? We're going to Cebu! Cebu! Wala naman ano.
Graduation gift namin kay Karen is a trip to Cebu. Personally, first time ko din pumunta ng Cebu, kaya super excited ako sa mga mangyayari. Lunch break muna sa Robinson's Place, Tacloban before our flight to Cebu.
Our celebrant, how do you feel?
So good.
You're going to Cebu?
Yes, for the first time.
Mama, Papa, anong message nyo kay Karen? Anong message nyo kay Karen?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Message nyo kay Karen? Message mo ng Papa kay Karen?
Message, maging siya. Maging totoo. Unahin na yung nasa isip niya. Maging kung ano yung nararamdaman na, nang sundin niya.
Yeah. Ba't naiyak ka?
Ito ko yung message ko. Sana mabilis ka na maligo.
Saan ka pupunta pa? Saan ka pupunta?
Sa Cebu.
Kinabukasan, ginawa na namin ang masarap pero makasalanang lechon. What is Cebu without tasting lechon, right? CNT was recommended by my ate and true enough, it was a superior lechon. It's so tasty hanggang ngayon. While editing this video, nilalasahan ko pa din siya.
Prioritize ang sisit siguro. Sobrang init kaya kailangan na pumunta sa somewhere na may aircon. But yeah, manood kami ng sine. Tapos 10,000 roses after ng sine. Yun na may pupuntahan na. For now, busog pa kasi kanina nag-lechon niya ako. Ikot-ikot lang muna dito sa mall.
The craziest thing was, kahit halos 2 buong araw lang kami nasa Cebu, nagawa pa rin namin makapag-beach together. I think that's the beauty of Cebu. You'll always discover hidden treasures nearby. The island is full of surprises, whether it's stumbling upon a secluded beach, finding a local eatery serving delicious cuisine, or encountering breathtaking natural landscapes. Each corner of Cebu seems to hold something extraordinary.
We're here at Taboan Market para bumili ng mga kung ano-ano. Danggit. And so, tapos dito kami ngayon kumakain ng puto maya. Yan. Mga puto maya. With tablea, muscabado.
So this is the part I hate the most. Goodbyes. As a family that has grown and chosen to live separately from each other, ang hirap. Everyone wants to be together, but di may iwasan yung distance as each member also wants to grow. You just remain hopeful sa next visit na magkakasama kayo, kompleto. And you keep in touch despite being apart.
Ingat. Karen, ikaw na ba sa kanila?
Oo, kaya mo yan. Bilis ka.
Congrats! Sige, congrats sa'yo. Bye-bye! Karen. Sama.